The American Hunting Lease Association has grown for one very simple reason, and that is we take a very progressive, forward-thinking approach, and we simply apply it to what has become kind of a stagnant, antiquated industry, and that is the way guides and outfitters have to purchase their liability insurance. Look, what we did for private landowners and hunt clubs across the country became very successful because we were able to offer an affordable option to landowners and hunt clubs looking to enter into a hunting lease arrangement. It didn't take long for guides and outfitters to see the benefits of that type of a program, and they called us, they contacted us, and they simply said, is there a way, is there a method for you to apply the master policy to guides and outfitters? So of course, we're happy to take a look at that. And what we found were that guides and outfitters were being forced to operate at the convenience of insurance agencies and insurance agents. Well, if you're a professional guide or outfitter and you've got to hang stands or build blinds and you've got to market your business, you might not have the time during the day to purchase your liability insurance and certainly to do the research. So we wanted to make that as easy as possible and certainly more affordable than what they're having to purchase now. So what we did was we simply took the master policy approach and applied it to guides and outfitters. We have an insurance partner and an insurance carrier that are, like us, very forward thinking. And when we approach them with the idea that not all guides and outfitters require a custom written policy that takes 2 to 3 weeks to create and then another week or two to actually bill and activate, they were on board. So let's talk a little bit about the coverages. Our policy has a $1 million per occurrence for bodily injury and property damage with a $2 million general aggregate. Now, if you've done any shopping or any looking around for liability insurance, you'll recognize that those are pretty much the industry standard. We also have a $1 million personal injury coverage. We also have a $100,000 coverage for premises rented to you or fire damage. And we also have a $5,000 medical pay benefit. Lastly, I want to talk about our process because we're very proud of it. When I looked into the method or the process for purchasing guides and outfitters insurance, I was frankly shocked at how antiquated that process had become. I saw things from downloading paper applications and mailing in checks to sending emails with your email address and simply waiting to hear from an insurance agent or insurance agency while your business just kind of sat idle. So what we've done is we've created a process. It's 100% online if you want it to be, or you're welcome to call us anytime and we can walk you through it over the phone. But what you'll do is just go to our website. You can put in your gross estimated revenue right on the webpage, click get a quote, and you will be given your quote instantly right there on the screen. You don't have to wait for us for 2 or 3 days to call you back or anything like that. If you're agreeable to the price, you simply click on buy a policy. You're walked through our 9-question pre-qualification process, which is basically just a few safety questions like if you have a guest on an ATV, you'll have them in a helmet. If you have a guest hunting from an elevated tree stand, you'll have them in a safety harness. Simple things, but those are the things that our insurance carrier insisted on so that we could offer you this reduced rate. Once you're pre-qualified, you'll be shown a 2-page application online. You simply fill it out, put your name at the end, click on Pay Now, and we'll be ready for a credit card, and you'll be covered the very next day. If you're looking for liability insurance for your guides or outfitting business, look at the AHLA's Master Program for Guides and Outfitters with confidence. We have created this program specifically for you to make it affordable, simpler, and more profitable to take Americans hunting and fishing. I always like to wrap up by saying the same thing. Good luck to you, and hunt and fish safe.